Hey everyone, hope you all doing great. Welcome to this new video of Codsoft Python series. In the previous video, we had talked about the task 3 of this internship series. You can find the playlist link in the description of this video where you can watch the previous videos. Now, let's move on to the 4th task in which we have to create a rock, paper, scissor game using Python. Allow user to choose rock, paper, or scissor and random choice for the computer. Keep track of the scores and rounds. Show the result at the end and ask the user if they want to play again. As you can see the code, it is complete and clear. I have used the tkinter module, a Python's GUI module, for creating graphical user interface applications. I have written all the necessary comments so that it's easy for you to understand the code. Now let's run the program. This is intro, game is loading. Now first of all, you have to write number of rounds. As I have written the comment below that the number of rounds should be between 1 to 10, no more or no less. Otherwise, game will not start. Now let's play some games with a computer. Now at the end, it shows the result either you won or lost or the game is drawn. It also asks the user to play again or quit. Let's play again. Let's quit it. Perfect. As you are seeing, it is perfectly working. You can get the code link in the description below. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.